Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this, we're going to compare the 3D bench wildlife test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus iPhone 12 device. So iPhone 12, which has got the Apple's A14 binary chipset, and iQOO 7, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see friends, what will be the wildlife test comparison between these both phones. So let me to open the 3D bench application. So it's a 3D bench application. So right now I'll be doing just wildlife test only. So there are a couple of other different tests includes, which is wildlife stress test, wildlife extreme stress test. So there are multiple testings I need to do. But right now this is a very basic test which will be the wildlife test only. Let me to start the test right now. Let's see friends what will be the performance between these both phones using this kind of 3D benchmark test results. So this is going to be really very interesting to see, and which phone will be having what kind of results as well using this kind of 3D bench testing. And let me know in the comment section below in case if you want me to do any kind of other videos comparison using this wildlife test, which I can definitely plan doing on based on your request. But right now, as you can see friends clearly, so both phones are doing the wildlife testing, and you can see the FPS, how it's maintaining in the iPhone versus iQOO 7 device. Try to look at the FPS. So in the iPhone, I think overall it's maintaining 50 around kind of FPS consistently, and iQOO 7 is maintaining around 27 FPS. As you can see the difference between both phones. Let's see friends what will be the final score we can actually expect iPhone versus the iQOO 7 device regarding this wildlife testing. And next later on I'll ready to do the wildlife stress test as well. So this is just a basic test just to get a clear idea what's going on. So that of making. So right now we got the results in the iQOO 7 device, which got about 4251, and you can see the scores. Average FPS is 25.50 FPS. And finally we got the result in the iPhone 12. iPhone 12, the score is about 8297. Wow, that's kind of really very high score, as you can see friends, 8297 when compared with iQOO 7 device. And average FPS maintaining about 49.7 FPS versus 25.5 FPS average. Wow, that's very high. That's very high. You can see quite double performance. I mean, in terms of the extreme GPU you will be getting here in the iPhone 12, as you can see friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick 3D benchmark wildlife test comparison between these both phones, and definitely I'll try to come back with the extreme test comparison as well very soon. So stay tuned for those videos. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, bye.